All right, we're going to count them down together. Everybody do it with me. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Start your engine.
And let's get to super late model feature underway. Again, race fans, just a reminder, on lap 56 and on lap 81, an extra $50 will go to the leader on lap 56 and lap 81. Thank you.
They are here for the inaugural Hugh Deery Classic 99. Let's wave to them as they go by. Bleacher creatures, it's your turn over there too. Next, bleacher creatures, off your feet, or off your seat, on your feet. Let's send off these super late model drivers. All right, Eric, did we do the lineup?
We did not.
Deery Classic 99 racing. This next time around, as the big boys are going to wind them up. Here we go. Here they come, they come, they come. Great flag and we're racing. Jake Guiley out to an early lead. Here comes Prunty on the outside of, whoa, caution.
Yeah, I don't know if they started the greatest, did they?
I don't think so. Jim Olson setting the pace on the pole, and it looked like Jake Guiley probably jumped it. So you cannot pass, once again, you cannot pass the pole sitter before the start-finish line. Jake Guiley must have passed the pole sitter. We have lucky number programs to give away. We will do it during the first caution or the next break that we have, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it again.
Let's try this all over.
Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Let's see, they're going to give it a go or a no. It's a go. Here comes Prunty on the outside of Olson. Driver X looking to grab that top 5 spot as he's there right now. And it's X. It's Nason side by side.
Guiley in the 50 out front. Prunty in that 11. Now a battle for third with Jim Olson and Austin Nason.
Yeah, Jim Olson almost went sideways there in 1 and 2. Glad he held on to it. Great driving there, Jim.
Yeah, and the X machine of John Reynolds Jr. working that outside is Rich Bickle Jr., the bookman that my partner had signed and all excited for. Trying to work that inside, work it inside and low.
Alex Prunty, 2-time NSTC winner, looking to try to take that lead. As him and Jake Guiley are getting ready to go door handle to door handle.
Illinois or Wisconsin. Winnebago or Lamira. As a number 50, Guiley still out front. Prunty right on his bumper. And it's Austin Nason in that 14 now in the third spot. Michael Bilderback has worked his way up there as him and Jim Olson in the 24 are battling. Side by side they go.
Bilderback now in 4th. Here comes Rich Bickle, the author and race driver, looking to challenge Driver X for his spot there, battling back in 6th.
Yeah, watch out for Dalton Zier out of Florida in that 119 car. He's kind of worked his way up there in the 29 of Matt Berger as well.
Yeah, it's good to see Dalton Zier got whatever had happened during his heat race straightened out. He's good to go for this feature. We got a new leader. It's going to be Alex Prunty.
Nice little battle with him and Guiley in turns 3 and 4 in that 11 machine. Pulled out ahead, but Guiley's not too far in that 50. Austin Nason in that 14 car in the third spot, and Michael Bilderback in that 2 now in the top 4.
So this race strategy will be kind of like the All-Star 100 as the laps are just about equal to each other. So these drivers that raced at the All-Star will probably be looking for the same strategies for this race.
Prunty in that 11 still out front of Guiley. Battle is in the third spot as the number 2 of Michael Bilderback and Austin Nason are going to go at it. Along the back stretch in turns 3 and 4, Jim Olson just behind them, John Reynolds Jr. and Rich Bickle Jr.
Yeah, Bilderback and Nason side by side got into each other there, coming out of 4, almost got ugly. Both drivers, very good drivers here at the Speedway, held on.
Yeah, Prunty doing a little bit of a good job as he's about half second ahead of Jake Guiley in the 50. Nason in that 14 still in third with a battle of Michael Bilderback, who's on his back bumper. And then Jim Olson running off your top 5.
Bickle went to the inside of X, but then drove him up into the wall there. Now, kind of, thank God both drivers are okay on that one there. That almost got ugly.
Got a little squirrely, got a little fun as that number 2 of Michael Bilderback still chasing that 14. Austin Nason.
Yeah, super late model drivers, as fast as they're going, it's definitely very hard to pass here at the high banks of the quarter mile oval here. As you see this when they try to make their move, it can turn into a very interesting battle.
Battle continues to be out in that 3rd spot. Nason in the 14, Bilderback in the 2, Jim Olson in that 24. Right behind them, Rich Bickle Jr. as Michael Bilderback's going to make a move along the front stretch in the turns 1 and 2 and got a hold of the 14, but here comes Austin Nason right back.
Yeah, when they make their moves here at Rockford, it's like once they make their pass, it's not over yet because they slow down a little bit coming out of the turn. It gives that driver on the outside a chance to get right back into it, as you saw with Austin Nason there coming right back at Michael Bilderback.
Prunty at 8 1/10 of a second lead, almost a full second lead on the number 50 of Jake Guiley. Bilderback in that number 2 machine. That birthday boy's trying to work his way up there. Top qualifying, has already had a good birthday. Can he finish off the cake with some good frosting?
And here comes Rich Bickle Jr. there, just passed around Jim Olson to grab that number 5 spot. We are back to single file racing here at the Rockford Speedway.
Yeah, and the 119 of Dalton Zier right behind that 24 of Jim Olson as well. Give it a little, take a little. Runty still out front in that 11. He was almost a full second ahead of the number 50, Jake Guiley.
Yeah, the field definitely coming around looking to catch John Beal, the real deal. Just not having the night he normally has here at the Rockford Speedway. John Beal looks like he's having some trouble in that 5B car.
Oh, it's Dalton Zier and Jim Olson getting a little crazy in turns 3 and 4. Both retain. Great driving by these super late model drivers. Sorry, John. Runty still out front of that 50. Here comes Michael Bilderback on Jake Guiley, closing the gap there.
But the battle right now is for 4th as Rich Bickle is challenging Austin Nason, and he grabs it. Let's see what happens in 3 and 4. Can Bickle hang on to it as Austin Nason may be coming back?
Yeah, that squirrely squirrel still up there.
Here comes Michael Bilderback on the inside of Guiley for the 2nd spot. This is going to be a race I want to see between Bilderback and Prunty, as 2 big dogs are going to be going at it. Here comes Michael Bilderback to take that 2nd spot away from Jake Guiley.
Yeah, he kind of made it look easy on that lap. Worked the outside, worked the inside, and now that 2 machine in the 2nd. They're about a 1.5 seconds behind the number 11 of Alex Prunty.
Should be interesting to watch there, Eric, as Michael Bilderback has the track record tonight in that 2 car, so he's definitely got the faster car for qualifying. We'll see if he can catch Alex Prunty.
Still about a 1.5 seconds behind in that 11 machine, Elmira, Wisconsin.
And we've got Matt Berger looking to the inside of Jim Olson to try to make a move here, as they've got a battle for the middle of the field there in that 29 and 24 car.
Yeah, that's a battle right there for the 7th and 8th spot. John Reynolds Jr. right behind them as well. Alex Prunty in that 11 machine still rolling. About a little under 1.5 seconds as Michael Bilderback slowly working his way. Got plenty of laps to get there. Number 50 of Jake Guiley right behind them.
It's going to be Berger on the inside of Olson as they make contact. Olson looked like he almost bounced off at turn 4. Driver X looking to make the inside move on Jim Olson as well.
Olson in that 8th spot right now. John Reynolds Jr. looking to work his way up around that track. Prunty coming around on lap traffic on the number 5 of John Beal. And he'll work him on the backstretch and pass him quite easy. Only a 1.2 second difference as that number 2 machine of Michael Bilderback slowly creeping up to the 11 machine of Alex Prunty.
So the leaders now running into lap traffic as they go around John Beal. As Alex Prunty trying to do what he did at NSTC the last 2 years.
And Dalton Zier in that 119 car is going to kind of work his way up against Austin Nason in that 14 machine.
As Jake Guiley's going to make his move around John Beal, Rich Bickle as well. Rich Bickle starting to set his sights on 3rd place of Jake Guiley. But here comes Jim Olson. John Reynolds Jr. just makes his move around Jim Olson. Chris Blowett looking to do the same. Jim Olson must be off just a little bit there.
Yeah, we're about 0.751 seconds as the number 2 of Michael Bilderback closing on Alex Prunty.
Yeah, Michael Bilderback is definitely catching Alex Prunty as he's got that very fast number 2.
And then it's Jake Guiley in that third spot, and Rich Bickle Jr. in a little bit of a battle right now for that third spot as they go 3 into turns 3 and 4. It's going to be Bickle Jr. coming out and ahead.
So legendary Rich Bickle out there in third place now. Jake Guiley in fourth. Michael Bilderback is winding in Alex Prunty in that 11 car.
Half second.
Very fast number 2 there.
Half second behind.
Wow.
Talked about closing that gap. He's closing it hard. Prunty, Bilderback. Ooh, it's down to 0.3 of a second.
I just wonder, Eric, if it's too early. Hopefully he didn't use all his tires up trying to catch him and make his move. We're going to find out as we're not even halfway there yet.
No, but on lap 56, somebody's going to get $50 for leading this thing.
Well, that's a pretty cool deal.
Yeah, will it be Prunty? Will it be Bilderback? Is Rich Bickle Jr. still in that third spot? He's in a battle with the number 50 of Jake Guiley as they come around.
Blowett on the inside of Olson, trying to grab the next spot for Blowett. Here we go. They're coming out of turn 4.
Side by side they go. It's still Olson.
Yeah, definitely bumper door handle to door handle, side by side. What's going to happen coming into 3 and 4? Both drivers holding their line as of now. Here comes Jake Van Oski to try to get into that battle.
How about this? 0.3 of a second difference between Prunty and Bilderback, and then 11 and number 2 machine
and
as they come around big time lap traffic.
Yeah, this is going to get interesting. Who's going to be the better traffic driver? Whoa! Prunty slid up right into Bilderback. As I don't think Prunty realized that was lap traffic or something there. I don't know. Let's see. You're coming around. Olson on the inside. Prunty and Bilderback going to make their move. Lap traffic could play a role in this battle for the lead.
Yeah. Olson, that 24 machine, getting a little squirrely, letting them go by, but 0.2 of a second difference. That's going to be even closer than that. 0.1 of a second difference.
Yeah, Alex Prunty and Michael Bilderback are definitely pulling away from everybody else. Eric, how far away is Rich Bickle in the third spot?
Yeah, Rich Bickle in that third spot's about 4 seconds difference.
Wow.
He's definitely off the pace of these two that are just running and battling every turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Who's it going to be, Prunty or Bilderback?
Well, this is definitely between the two of them. Bilderback's raced here a lot more, but Prunty has been very good at this track as these two are getting ready to battle. Here we go.
Yeah, we're approaching that lap 56. They know $50 is online.
Bilderback tucks it back into Prunty. We've got a great battle for the lead, ladies and gentlemen. Watch that 11 and that number 2. Go at it.
Yeah, they're coming up on that lap traffic as well. Blowett and that 26 machine is going to have all kinds of speed coming by him in a hurry.
Looks like Prunty may have just pulled away just a hair as they go around Blowett. Oh, we got a spin out. It's Matt Berger. Almost by the leaders. Lick out Jake Van Oski and Jim Olson. Woo! No harm done for the leaders. Alex Prunty, good braking skills by the leader. Good God, we're glad nothing happened there.
Yeah, Alex Prunty and Michael Bilderback, 0.3 of